Okay, well, I'm in the middle of shooting another video back there, and I'm waiting for parts. The regulator I was using on it failed. It's one I had laying on the shelf. So I had to order a part. It won't be here till next week, because, you know, I live in the middle of nowhere. So our friends had a trailer on their property, and it was just sitting there, and I got a really good price, free, and now it's sitting here. So let me show you what my next long-term project is. Well, this is it, and it's too big to videotape. It's really not that big, but my shop's not that big either. So anyway, this is a 1976 Shamrock 16-foot travel trailer. Now, it says it's 16 foot, but that includes the tongue over here. The body itself, from about that point there to about that point there, is about 13 feet. Let's take a quick look on the inside first, and I'll show you what we're dealing with. Believe it or not, it's not that bad. One, no mice. No cats have lived in this. There's not much to it, but it's actually kind of spacious in here. I like the layout. Now, that is the restroom. However, there's no toilet in there, and I don't know what I'm going to do about that yet, but there's so many other issues to deal with before I get there. Let me show you where I'm going to start. That corner right there, that's where I'm going to start. And believe it or not, I'm going to start on the outside. And the reason that is, well, I'll go into it once we're out there. But anyway, overall, it's not that bad. If you've been keeping track of what RV prices are going for nowadays, I could put $2,500 into this and easily get all my money back. Yeah, actually, I could probably double my money. So let me show you some more of the outside. Okay, because of its size and the fact that my shop here is divided into 3 bays, it's kind of hard to get back far enough to really get some good pictures on it. But overall, it's not that bad. I know it's got some wood rot, and I'll be addressing that. I was a little worried about it at first, but I watched a bunch of videos on it, and it doesn't appear to be that difficult. It's definitely within my wheelhouse of capabilities. So that's it. This is my next project, and wish me luck.